Good day, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great, man. Look, man. I just want to say, in regards to what's happening to JP markets now, I'm entirely not happy at all. Because, man, JP market has changed our lives for the better. I mean, it was because of JP markets that a lot of young Forex traders knew what a withdrawal is, knew what profit is. It was for the first time in the history of Forex trading where majority of Forex traders have become profitable. So although we know that there in every business there's the good and the bad, but let us not forget the good. JP Market has been good to us personally. I've been with JP Market since 2016. So I've been happy with the services. There were times where I was not happy, but overall, I pray and hope that the FSCA. So yeah, man, I'm not happy with the decision being made, but obviously there's nothing that we can do but wait. So yeah, man, let's see what they say. I personally say P Market has been good to me. He's paid me a lot of money, and I'm happy with their service. There were times where I wasn't happy with their services, but overall, hey man, they've been good to us. They've been good to me personally. Let me speak for myself. So let's pray and hope that JP Markets will be back and will continue working as usual, because that is our bread and butter. All right. So I'm pretty sure Justin has this under control. So we'll hear from on the 21st was the verdict. But I'm very, very positive that they do have this under control, and I wish them all the best.